Hey guys, welcome to the 8th episode of Chuck's Keto Kitchen. So today we are going to make a keto bacon cheeseburger in a keto bun. Okay, so ingredients: we need some coconut oil, some gherkins, some beef mince, salt and pepper, some mozzarella cheese, double cream, yellow mustard, 3 eggs, some bacon, an onion, cream cheese and 2 cloves of garlic. So to get started, let's cook up the bacon. So we need to heat up the pan of coconut oil. Whilst we're doing that, whilst that pan's heating up, we'll get the onion prepared. So cut it into quarters and then slice each quarter. We may as well get the garlic ready as well. So just add that to the crusher and then just tip it on top of the onions. So the pan should be hot, so add 3 slices of bacon and get that cooking up. For this recipe we're going to use one of those keto buns in one of our earlier recipes, so you should make those before starting. The link will be in the bio for that. So once the bacon is cooked, take it out of the pan and then add in the garlic and onions, maybe a bit more coconut oil. You can never have enough coconut oil. Then we'll add in our mince, so just break the mince up and add it into the pan. So we're looking for about 750 grams of mince, that's about 1.5 packets, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion so far. The 3 slices of bacon are cooked, and then we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Oh, what a dick. Right, so let's prepare the cheese sauce. 3 eggs go into the jug. 125 ml of double cream, and 100 grams of the shredded cheese. I'm using mozzarella, so just add all of that to the jug and give it a mix up. In goes the cream. 2 tablespoons of mustard. As you can see, I'm carefully measuring that out. Seasoning, salt and pepper, and 100 grams of the grated cheese. Mix that up. Right, so our mince should have cooked up nicely. We're going to add 60 grams of cream cheese into the mince mix. Allow that cream cheese to melt up. So we'll chop the bacon up. Oh, my son's just turned up. He's just told me he's just completed his CVT, so he can now ride on the road. Perfect. Well done him. So there's our bacon. In goes the mince. Lay the bacon strips on top. And then add on the cream cheese sauce. So spread that all over the top of it. And then we need to add in our gherkins. So grab a few gherkins, slice them up. And then we'll lay them on top of the casserole dish. With a final layer of the mozzarella cheese on top. So add about 50 grams of cheese. So that is ready to go in the oven. The oven wants to be on at around 200 degrees Celsius. And it wants to be cooked for about 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is up. Let's remove it from the oven. The mozzarella cheese on top should have gone nice and crispy. So we've got our previously made keto bun. Get that ready, then make a patty out of the casserole. I mean, you can serve this up however you like. You can put it in lettuce wraps and, you know, be creative, do whatever you want. So once you've got your patty out of the casserole dish, add it to the bun. And there you go. Chuck's Keto Kitchen spin on Le Big Mac. So there we go, guys, another quick and easy recipe. Have a go, see what you think, and any comments please leave them in the comment section on the video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram to keep up to date with what we've got going on in the kitchen. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.